Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is starting in Thurne. I brought some friends over here to show them the cattle egrets, which were on the marshes right beside Taverham Mill, and I filmed them. Sadly, the sheep that they were in with, or like to be with, have been moved to a different area, and the cattle egrets have gone, so who knows where they are. I really don't know. I looked for them, we all looked for them, but couldn't find them. So here's a couple of boats that went past instead. It's extremely windy here and bitterly cold. On the footpath that runs beside the river away from Thurne Mill is this hare. He likes to just be in front of us, stop, wait for us to catch up, and now he's off running across the marsh. And there must be a dike or something there. He actually jumped it. I've never seen that before. He waited for a second, watched us all, and look, he's now jumped across to the other side of the reeds. There was also a little wren, sweet little wren. This boat is covered in this caution yellow tape. What do you think that's about? Just to stop birds, or do you think there's actually something wrong with the boat? As the cattle egrets are not here, I'm going to take them to somewhere else and show them elsewhere. But for that we need to go to Norwich. The grounds for this burial ground originally belonged to Colney Hall, which is directly next door. And that belonged to the Barclay family, as in Barclay's Bank. Edith Cavell was actually the governess for the family's children. The family had 2 pet lions which roamed the grounds, but after attacking the family's son, they were both sent to a zoo in Ireland. It's absolutely pouring down here in Norwich, so we're just having a tour around, looking at a few different places. I've never been here. This is Taverham, the site of a former mill. Time to move on yet again. And we're all going to double back on ourselves and go back to virtually where we started the day. So let's go. That's right, across the water from Thurne where we were this morning. So we're at St Benet's Cold Harbour area. And the most beautiful crane. Now, I'm not sure what's going on here, so it's the most dreadful filming ever created. But there was some sort of squabble. And when something like that happens, you're never prepared for it. So that's how you get the not very good filming. So apologies. They're not very far away now from where they were, but there's a dip, so they're behind the dip. You can only see 3 of them. At this point, the marshes are 360 degrees, so it is so windy. I'm struggling to keep my camera still. It's just fighting a losing battle, really. It's okay here. You get about a 5-second break of the wind stopping before it comes back really strong again, and you struggle to keep still. So at this point, there are 10 crane here. But then another one flies in, and there's 11. I'd just like to thank the 2 people who gifted through the super thanks button this week. Thank you both for your generous gifts. Everything that is gifted goes straight back into making more videos for you all. Thank you to all of you who are still watching at this point and got this far. Very much appreciated. If you're new to my channel and you're enjoying this content, then perhaps you'd like to subscribe to my channel. And to those of you who have enjoyed this video, perhaps you'd like to give it a thumbs up for me. Thank you all for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye for now.